everyone. Today I am showing you how can you do quick analysis. First, what you have to do, you have to select all the table, then Control plus Q. Then you have to go to the chart. You have to go to the formatting. Then select data bar. I have found my data bar. Then select color scheme. I have got my this icon set. Then greater than. Then property and percent clear from everything you have that. Then go to the chart section. I have got my chart section. Then go to the table. You can easily find out pivot table. You can easily move table. You can do everything. If you want, you can just check it out and find it out easily. Thank you so much.